Hi, my name is Andrew Croft. I'm an associate in the projects and construction team at Beale Company. Late payment has been a key issue for businesses in the UK for some time now, particularly in the construction industry. The UK government has recently attempted to tackle that issue in the Reporting on Payment Practices and Performance Regulations 2017, which came into force on the 6th of April. I'm going to consider some of the key requirements under the regulations for your business and what, in my view, are the key implications of the regulations. Who is required to report under the regulations? The regulations require companies and LLPs who satisfy 2 of the 3 criteria for a medium-sized company under the Companies Act for 2 consecutive years to report. If you're a traditional partnership, or if your business is formed outside the UK, you will not be required to report. What do the reports need to cover? The reports should relate to contracts between 2 businesses for goods or services other than financial services, which have a close connection with the UK. The requirements to report are very administrative and include matters such as a business's standard payment terms, the average time it's taken a business to make payment, and also statistics such as the percentage of invoices paid in 30 days or less, 40 days or less, 60 days or less, or longer. The regulations also require general information such as whether a business has signed up to a prompt payment code and whether they issue or whether they offer e-invoicing. How do reports need to be published? Reports need to be published on a central government website. If reports aren't published when they're required to do so, this would be a criminal offence. Reports need to be approved by a director or member of an LLP. If reports contain incorrect or misleading information, or if they're not published, the member or the director of a company can also be prosecuted. When do reports need to be published? The requirement to publish a report kicks in relation to financial years starting on or after the 6th of April 2017. So if your financial year started on the 6th of April 2017, you will be required to report much earlier than a business whose financial year doesn't start until, for example, the 5th of April 2018. What are the practical implications of the regulations? In my view, the regulations will introduce significant additional transparency as to who the bad and good payers are in any industry. They will enable suppliers and clients to assess when considering whether they enter into a contract, whether the other party is a good payer or a bad payer, and perhaps reflect that in the contractual arrangement or the fees. The regulations are very administrative, so if your business is required to report, it is very important that you put in place systems and processes as soon as possible to collect the required information, particularly given that if you fail to do so, this will be a criminal offence. In my view, the regulations are a very positive step, and I would hope they help create a culture of prompt payment in the construction industry and other industries. I hope this has been helpful. If you would like more information on the regulations, there is an article on the Beale Company website, and do let me know if you have any specific queries in relation to the regulations. Thank you very much.